In this video, we'll see how we can set up Code Builder. So I'm going to refer this documentation here. So this documentation show how we can enable Code Builder and install the Code Builder managed package in a supported Salesforce edition. And it also have various documentations like how we can enable and install Code Builder, the Code Builder licenses, and what are the permission set groups which requires. And you can also refer the other things as well. Let's go to Salesforce. So I'll open setup. So in find box, search for Code Builder here. Click on Code Builder. Enable the Code Builder. Click on accept. Click on install package. And I'm going to install for admin only. Click on install. Click on continue. So it will take some time to install the package. Let's wait for some time. Now the installation is successfully completed. And if I go back to setup again, so search for installed packages here. And you can see Code Builder has been installed successfully. Let's open this Code Builder. So how we can open this Code Builder is from the app launcher. Click on this 9 dots. Search for Code Builder. So we have to open this app. Now this is the app which we opened. Let's close this pop-up. You can see this button, launch. Just simply click on this button. And this may take a few minutes. The Code Builder is getting loaded. Yes. Now our project is ready. And you can see the files, the folders. So we can also connect to an org here, and we can create an Apex class, LWC, all these things here. So let's create an Apex class, or maybe we can authorize to an org first. So I'll click on this, no default org set, just click on authorize an org. I'll say it as dev org. Now it navigated me to the login page. I need to click on login here, and I need to click on allow. Click on continue. So now this org is connected to Code Builder, and if I go to Code Builder again, you can see the dev org has been authorization got successfully ran. Now we can create our Apex class as well. So you can say create Apex class. I'll say account controller. Can have write one method here. Just a dummy account method. Save it, and you can deploy this class to the default org as well. Now the class is deployed successfully. You can see this message. You can open the terminal output as well. You can see this class is created in the default org. And thanks for watching.